Hawu. Ihabe lingakadlaba. Hey. Mhlawumbe ungakwazi nokuthi ugcine sewazi nosuku lokufa. Hayi kodwa. Ngisho ngahlaniphana kanjani angiboni ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuthi ngakho isystem ezokwazi ukuthi ikutholele usuku lakho lokufa. Yabo ngoba manje phela singayisebenzisa imath ukwazi ukwenza lokho but into kumele uyazi ukuthi life is so unpredictable yabo, and that's what's nice about it ukuthi nje is full of surprises. Nayo human design into yenza ukuthi ikwazi ukwenza lezi zinto ezenzayo kubantu yabo, ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi ikunikeze into ebambekayo ngawo ukuthi ukanje kanje, une energy nje uyile nhlobo nje ilento ukuthi yonke into le reality esikuyona yonke i-mathematically calculated. A reality is mathematically oscillated. The whole universe is mathematics. Yabo? It's mathematics. Normally, let me say, this reality is mathematical. Let me not talk about other things. Let me talk about this one. It's mathematical. Lento ibonayo nje it's a mathematical oscillation. Lento ibonayo nje manje lapha mwakho. So yonke into yenzeka ngesizathu, yenzeka to the precision. God is a mathematician. Yabo ukuthi uzalwe uzalwe labazali abakuzala. Uzalwe kule ndawo wazalwa kuyona, ngalesikhathi wazalwa kuso, ngalolu suku wazalwa kulo, kule country wazalwa kuyona. Yonke into akubanga i-random selection. Kwaba well orchestrated. Ukuthi mhlambe uma wakho angathandani naloya noma angayi lapha aye ngala khona ezohlangana nalo amvume lo, yonke le nto wangeyona i-random selection. Kwakuwukuthi vele kufuneka ukuthi kuphume wena ozoba nalama genes alolu hlobo le-combination efunekalayo ewile. That is why singeke isidingo sokulo question ingane mayisikhona ukuthi why kungenzekanga kanjena, kwenzeka la ingane mesize yakhona, bekufuneka vele ukuthi kube khona lengane futhi izaleke ngaphansi kwalezi zimo lezi. Akukho ukureverse. So uyazi ngithi khona ama planets, and ama planets we are part of them because nathi we are part of this gigantic universe. So ama planets ama deities lawo, and they are responsible for certain things in this physical earth. Njengokuthi Mercury is for communication, like thinking, intellect and stuff. So manje ukuthi wena uzalwe ekseni ngo1 mhlawumbe ngomhla 23 May, lokho kuza nohlobo oluthile lwento noma kukwenza kube ube wena uhlobo oluthile lomuntu olizoba different from umuntu ozalwe ngawo mhlawumbe umhla ka23 kodwa wangazalwa ngo1 ekseni, wazalwa ngo6 ntambama. Ngalokho nje kukodwa sekunenza ukuthi nihluke futhi lokho. Ngezathu sokuthi i-moment ne-moment ama-planets amove, and kune-planet esheshayo la. Ngabo Mars, Mercury kuyaphuthuma, Moon iyaphuthuma i-Moon. Angithi yabo? So lawo ma-planets ashesha lawo. Yabo? So manje ukuthi i-planet ewukuthi ngesikhathi uzala wena ibise kwi-house ethile, mhlawumbe ibikwi-Pisces, mhlawumbe i-Mercury ibikwi-Pisces. Kusho ukuthini lokho ngawe? Mercury kwi-Pisces. I-Pisces uyayazi ukuthi it is the ilokhungana i-house noma izodiac sign ephathelene ne-spirituality, illusion, yabo, is emotional and all of those things, subconscious and all of, but khona i-Mercury lapho planet ye-communication, yabo, kusho into ethile lokho. But thina ka-human designer sibuka kanjalo, sibuka ngokuthi lapho kwi-Pisces iku-gate bani leyo Mercury leyo, ngoba i-Pisces nayo inkulu, inama angles and angles and angles. So njoba wena i-Pisces ngenzeka uzalwe i-Mercury kwi-Pisces kodwa iku-30 degrees noma iku-15 degrees, of which that means something else about you as well. The universe is so fast, igijima ngale ndlela le, igijima at a speed of light, i-reality indlela emove fast ngakhona. So imoment ayikho imoment efana nenye. Ngisho ngenza into manje ngiphinde ngiyiphinde akuseyona le seyidlulile leya. So manje uwena lo oyena manje ubased ukuthi ngesikhathi wena uzalo ufika la ama planets ayialign kanjani lapha. Ayimi kanjani ama planets ngesikhathi ufika wena la. Lokho kukunikeza ipersonality ethileke wena ukuthi ayemi kanjani ama planets ngesikhathi wena ufika la. Kukunikeza into ethileke lokho. Yabo? Kodwa mase mawuya lapha ku akashenmedia.co.za uyokwenza reading yakho asidili kakhulu thina nokuthi sikuchazele ukuthi iMercury communication kanje we don't do information overload ngalo nje because into ongazidingi thina sikunikeza lezo zidingayo wena ngawe sisifunda zona lezi ngoba le yanto lapha mhlawumbe it is even less than 1% of human design inkulu iningi futhi khona izihamba iziyofika ekuthenini wena i-digestive system yakho uyinhloboni yomuntu uyilolu hlobo lomuntu okumele ukuthi lungadla ngisho nango-12 ngisho nango-1 ekuthiwa une-alternating digestive system or noma your digestive system is alternating udla noma inini awunaso isikhathi sokuthi kuvalwa nini kuvulwa nini ekudleni isisu sakho iyazi ifike lapho ukuthi wena udriver kuma indoors noma udriver kuma outdoors yibe environment wena odriver kuyona inala abantu abaningi noma empty ihamba izifike lapho kodwa we don't show all of those things ngobani asifuni information overload kusho ukuthi wena ungamane ufunda human design straight as a system uma ukuthi ufuna ukwazi yonke leyo into leyo ukuthi yini ekumotivateayo ngabe umotivatewa ifear noma umotivatewa into ukuthi ama variables lawo thina sikubhekele ukuthi nje okay wena nanje lemele uthathe ngayo inqumo ukuze uzokwazi ukufula yaphi cosmic purpose yakho eba ayikho into ebaluleke njengesinqumo empilweni empilweni bafisa isinqumo sibalekile that is why sifocus esinqumeni isinqumo esithi iauthority yakho sibalekile sinjalo nje nesinqumo phela before usithathe isinqumo kumele kube khona iqala kube khona eyenzekalayo that is why sikhuluma ngeauthority ngoba mina mfethu uma ngihlalele la endlini mina ngeke uze akufuneka ukuthi ngintante isingqondo ukuthi kumele ngikhiphe busy kanjani noma ngiphume ngephi akufuneka ingqondo yami intante kumele ngilandele i-design yami ithini ithi wait and respond yini ezongikhipha la ngizoresponda kuyona ngeke vele yini ezongikhipha la ngizoresponda kuyona mase ngiresponda futhi ngokwe-strategy sami kumele ngisebenzise i-authority yami ukuthi iyavumana isacral yami ukuthi ngiphume la ngoba ungangifonela ukuthi angiphume ngize kuwena noma ungifonela ukuthi angize kini noma nje ungimeme uthola ukuthi sekumele ngiresponde lapho kodwa i-authority yami ithi angingayenzi leyo nto ithi angingayenzi leyo nto ngivele ngizizwe ngingenayo energy yokuyenza leyo nto lapho uthi angize khona noma whatever lento uthi angiyenza kumele ngilandele i-authority yami ngeke ngilandele enye into khona ngizokwazi phela ukuthi uyazi ukuthi ukuphuma kwami la endlini it's a decision uyazi lo decision can change my whole life for better or worse lo decision nje ukuphuma la endlini can change my life for better or worse yabo so that is why it is very paramount for me ukuthi ngilandele i-authority yami ukuthi ithini so human design isebenza ngonxa ukuthi ke wena ama planets ngeke aqamba manga akunikeza energy uhlobo lwe-energy ethile yabo mina njengoba ngikhuluma kanje ngi-talkative ngoba vele lokho ngiyakwazi ukuthi is not by choice ngizongazama ukuyithulela I can keep quiet for him time being but I have a defined truth I talk yabo I talk ngiyazazi ukuthi I talk for so sengiyazazi ukuthi futhi yini mina ngicompatible kuyona ngeke ngize ngene entweni engekho compatible kuyona ngoba ngiyalazi ichance lami ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi angikho good la ngiyazazi lapho angilokhu nje angisurprise uma ngibona umqondo wami ushintsha ngiyazi ukuthi it's part of me so human design isebenza ngenxa yalawo ma planets kodwa kumele wazi ukuthi as much as ididiyelwe kanjalo ifaka ama systems awu 7 wonke 7 system ne-astrology yangena la i-numerology yangena la i-quantum mechanics yangena kuningi okudidiyelwe la ukuze kugcina kuphuma into eresemblisha ngqo wena nendlela okumele uphile ngayo.